Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In our today's video, we will talk about the diagonals of parallelogram. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So we will solve two different sets of given here in our video today with regards to the property of parallelogram. Now focus is all about the diagonals. Remember, when we are saying diagonals of parallelogram, meron tayong basic property that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So, review muna tayo ng konti. Pag sinabi natin bisect each other, simple na naman yun. They are intersecting each other in terms na hinahati nila yung isa't isa into two equal parts. So, basically, let's say for example, we have this parallelogram ABC, D, and we have diagonals. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Pag na-intersect ni AC si BD, hati niya into equal parts and magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng two different segments na equal. Meaning, your BE is equal to ED. Same with this one, kapag in-intersect ni BD si AC, mahati niya into two equal parts, meaning your AE is congruent or equal to EC. So let's try solving the two problems. Sabi dito, solve for the value of x and identify the length of each missing segment. So, punta tayo sa first problem. Here, the missing segment is EC. Okay? So, paano ngayon natin makakuha yung EC? Ito yung pinapahanap sa atin dito. Remember, na diagonals bisect each other, meaning, this segment is congruent to this segment. So, we can do this equation as AE is equal to EC because they are congruent. Now, yung AE natin is 7, yung EC natin is x. Therefore, the value of x or EC is 7 units. Ganun lang kasimple yun, guys. 7 units. Now, another problem for this parallelogram is that we are asked for EC. The AC is the whole diagonal. So, how are we going to find the value of this? Yung x natin is equal to 7. What you need to do is to add this to 7 plus 7, and that is the length of AC, which is equal to 14 units. Ganun na kasimple yung problem number 1. Okay, I hope na nakuha nyo to. Next, let's move on with the next problem. For the next problem, mukha lang siyang complicated pero don't get this problem na sobrang hirap talaga kasi madali lang to. Remember, in problem number 1, we have created a working equation wherein AC is congruent to AE is congruent to EC because they're congruent. Nagawa tayo ng equation natin. AE is equal to EC. To solve for the missing values here, kailangan muna natin makuha yung value ng x. Okay? So, kunin natin yung representation ni AE, which is 3x plus 5. This is 3x plus 5. Now, what about EC? Your EC is represented by 5x minus 7. Solve na natin yung equation. Ako gagawin ko dito, I will transpose 3x to the right side of the equation. Yung negative 7 naman, I will transpose it to the left side of the equation. So what will happen is that it will become 5x transposing 3x to the other side. That is minus 3x. Then this is 5. Then plus 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And this is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel natin dito for us to get x, which is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Ito na x natin ngayon. Now, x pa lang to. We're not yet done in finding the value or the length of this segment. So what we need to do is to get one segment AE. Your AE is 3x plus 5. Ang gagawin mo rito, since your x is equal to 6, substitute the value of x here. It will become 3 times 6 plus 5. And this is 3 times 6, which is 18 plus 5. Ngayon, ang AE mo is equal to 18 plus 5, which is 23 units. Okay, meron tayong AE. Ilagay natin dito. 23 units. Sir, what about the length of EC? Since yung ating AE at EC are equal, therefore, the answer here is also 23 units. Sir, what about AC? Your AC is the whole diagonal, which is composed of AE and EC. So what you need to do is to add these two measurements or lengths. 23 plus 23 is equal to 46 units. And ayun na mismo yung sagot natin for these problems. So I hope guys you learned something from this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. But you can also follow our Facebook page, Ako si Teacher Gon, para mas marami kayong makuhang math content sa ating Facebook page. So again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. Again, it's me, Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!